Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am planning the week of June 14th through 20th in my mini dashboard planner. This is my on-the-go planner that goes with me everywhere. And I recently got back from a trip to Florida with my planner friends, and I am headed back out to Florida, to Panama City again on Friday. So I think I'm going to decorate beachy for next week, since that's the week I'm actually going to be there. And I got the amazing Disney Be Happy box, which had all of these fun items inside. And I think I'm going to use this. And I'm probably going to use it in a little bit of a different way. It came with some classic filler paper and stickers and things like that. And I think I'm going to use those. I think I'm ditching this page. We're just getting rid of it. And I was thinking of doing it like this. So I could like get the paper cutter and be fancy and do all of that. But instead, you know, I'm just going to line this up. And if you know me, you know I don't do things very straight and perfect. So you're probably like, Marielle, this is a bad idea for you. Yes, it may be a bad idea for me, but I'm going to do it anyways, right? I'm trying to see. Earlier, I swear I had it lined up. Wait, let me think about this. It's got to be like this. I've got to... Why am I flipping this? Hold on. Let's line this up. I just thought the filler paper was so pretty. Yeah. Okay, so this kind of lines up better with the lines there. Let's see if this works. I know I should get a paper cutter out. I know these things, but not everything. I guess I'm on a not everything has to be perfect kicked. Like, it's fine. This is just, it's going in my planner. It's going to be okay. I'm just going to go for it. Watch, I'm going to do this and then I'm going to be like, nope, I got to get the paper cutter out. But you know what? We're trying. We're just going for it. Let's see if this works. I'm hoping it does. I'm hoping no one's going to know. No one's going to know. All right. And then, well, all of you know, if you're watching this, you're going to be like, ooh, she did that with scissors. And it's crazy looking. Oh my gosh. I feel my hand shaking like I'm getting nervous. Okay. I can already tell that little piece is crooked. But you know what? Look, it's not bad. It's fine. Okay. So I ditched the other side because all I really need is a major to-do list for this week, because I know I'm going to have a lot going on. So I grabbed the OG colorful boxes, and I'm just going to find a long box that matches. I have torn apart a bunch of these sticker. Ooh, I'm going to use this green one. This is perfect. Ooh, and it matches perfect. Perfect. So I'm going to put this. Ooh, where am I putting it? I think I want to use, I really love these florals. I think I'm going to put it, oh, this is tough. I think I'm going to put it up here and hope that that the other sticker fits. I should have measured, but I'm excited and I just want to put it down. Okay. And then I'm going to probably put a box over. Let me find maybe this light blue, but that has the things going the wrong way. I was trying to find one that matched. Oh, that purple's not the same. Let's look at some of these pinks. I know I had one that would have matched. This one matches really good. Yeah. I'm going to put that right here. And again, this is going to mainly be my to-dos. And then this is going to be like an important thing that I need to flag for the week. Okay, so I've got that. And there's even to-dos in here. You know, we're just going for it. We are using what we got. Let's see what's in here. That purple does not match. I really like the blue, but I feel like I can barely see that pink. This one looks pretty good. Oh, that's cut really funny. But you know what? I like it. I'm going for it. There we go. To do. Okay, so that's my main master list. Are you I like always have to have like a master list going. Okay, so I've got that down. And then since these stickers are white, I don't really have to, if I'm going to put it over here, I don't have to worry about the like whiting out stuff. It'll work. I think I want to use, let's look at putting Minnie here. Oh, but maybe this one. Hold on. Let's see if it fits. It might not fit. It might be too wide, but maybe not. Okay. Oh, it's cute. Okay. So I've got that there. And then I can do maybe this Mickey up here. I'm totally going in a completely different direction. I originally I was only gonna use these, but now I'm like, I'm wanting to use these guys because they're so cute. Let's see, trying to cover up. Okay, I'm gonna trim this just a little bit because I want to cover up all of those letters, and this is doing it perfectly. Look at that. Ta-da! Okay. Oh, that's so cute. But see how easy it comes together? It's just like boom, boom. And I've been like, oh no, they only have 4 stickers, but like sheets. But look how many, I mean, like I can do a bunch more spreads with these very easily. Okay, so I've got that. And then I'm gonna add some flowers, maybe to this bottom corner. Maybe one of these clusters would be good. I'm trying to see how I do it. I could do it like this and then cut off the excess. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna save that because I might need to layer another time, right? I mean, I could even add it over here now if I wanted to. Let's try it. Just adds a little touch. And then I can even add some of these kind of coming out. Oops, like that. It just kind of makes it look like another cluster. Okay, so I've got that, and then I just need to add my action items for the week. I'm probably going to use a couple boxes. So let's see. Some of these smaller ones for the mini. Okay, and this blue, of course, I've used all of the light blue, but I have other, oh, here's one. I have other boxes. I have enough of these, of these over here, so I know I've got more. Okay, I know I've got a meeting on Tuesday. And let's see, let's look for some pinks. I've got something, I'm gonna use this kind of orangey one because it kind of matches that on Thursday. Okay. And then maybe I'll use a green one. Is this the same? No. I feel like this is brighter. Let's look. I'm trying to remember to use all of these little sticker, you know, these ones that I've started that I haven't finished. I'm like, use all the sticker books. Okay, this doesn't really match, but I'm going for it. I'm gonna put this here. And let's put something pink. Over, no, it's not the same color, good. I just know it's going to be an insane week. I should probably just put a bunch of boxes down because I know I'm going to need them. And this book doesn't have yellow. I'll have to grab another book. But this at least gets me started with my boxes. And then as the week goes, I can add more. Let's see. Oh, there's some tiny little flowers too. I didn't even see those. These are really cute. I'm going to add these kind of around. These are perfect for a mini planner because they're so tiny. Okay, I'm going to put that there. Maybe put a yellow one. So I'm just kind of adding just some accents every once in a while here. I think it's just kind of sweet to put these tiny little flowers everywhere. There we go. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, and I might want to, I'm trying, if you watch my videos, you know I'm trying to be better about using washi. I thought this little spotty one would be cute. It might be too thick. I do have a smaller version. Well, I already ripped this off. Let's just see. Oh, it's okay. We're going for it. We're going for it. And I'm going to put this here because it's something big. And then, let's see. Oh, I know I'm going to have, I feel like this, I mean, hello, we're leaving Florida. That's big too. But then it's like too much going on. Let's see. Where can I put this little spotty guy? How about over here, just holding that on. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. It's just fast and easy. And I have tons of stickers left for future planner projects. Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell so you can get notifications when I put more videos out. Thanks so much for watching and have yourself a wonderful week ahead.